I can't believe it. Yesterday on my little road trip, I broke the 60,000 mile mark by 246 miles. I wanted to capture it and I wasn't even paying attention. The 100,000 mile one's the important one anyway. All right, so I just got into work and I want to thank the company Groovy for making such an awesome product. Let me show you what I got and do this quick little unboxing and then on with the video. It's sweet, short, sweet. So Sam over at Groovy, thanks for the constant communication. I'm making the video now. Haven't opened the product yet. People probably don't know what I'm talking about. Let's get to the product. So sometimes you're browsing social media, things like Facebook or Instagram or Threads, and you see these companies that got some pretty cool stuff, but you're kind of afraid to order or get it from them just because you're not used to ordering from social media sites. Well, anytime Groovy Life pops up into the feeds, they're an honest to goodness company. This product is gonna be cool. I'm a big, huge fan of the artist that creates some of the work on the products here. So much so that every time I'm at SeaWorld, I have to hit the store. Artist is Guy Harvey. He does all the ocean stuff, Hawaii stuff, sea turtles, dolphins, and stuff like that. SeaWorld holds up him in pretty high regards. And I've always liked his artwork. Sorry about people talking. There's a lot of people downstairs, but I got to get this. I want to put it on my finger. I got a Guy Harvey ring. A Guy Harvey ring. You've seen him on Facebook. So not too much comes in the package. There is something here. I guess they sell some sort of clothing or shoes or whatever. Born in Alaska, built in Tennessee. I don't know what this is. What I'm worried about is what is in this box. It's a nice little plastic box. It's a jewelry box for men. For men. And here is the product. An actual to goodness Guy Harvey ring. Look at that. Very parrot head style, very Jimmy Buffett-like. Yeah, I like that. Oh, I'm just like moving around too much with this camera. It's basically because I'm excited. As I'm rocking the table. I am not a jewelry person. I wear a watch. About, 5 years ago during Breast Cancer Awareness Month, I got that at the Hard Rock. It's still on. That's about, got my puka shell necklace on I got back in 2012. It's still on. And Steph Stuck in a Truck got me a 100% pure silver planchette, I think they're called, from a Ouija board. It was handmade in Hawaii. But other than that, I don't have anything. Most everything I got jewelry wise is I got a tattoo. I got an anklet tattoo. That's the extent of my jewelry. This, on the other hand, not only is it a Guy Harvey work of art, it's jewelry. And it's not gonna be painful to put on, like my tattoo. It is flexible, supposedly breathable. It's not metal. I don't know what material it is. It's not like normal material that you would normally feel. And supposedly, from where it touches the skin on your finger, underneath, it has like a breathable water. I don't know. Water can't get trapped underneath it, and it is breathable. I can't wait to put it on. There you go. Look at that. I like it. This is a size 13. I used to be a size 12, and I thought, I'm a little older now. Maybe my finger grew a little. I might have been able to get a size 14. I don't know. Definitely size yourself before ordering something like that. But if it's good, it's good, comfortable. I like it. Yeah, pretty nice design too. If you want one of these, I believe they're like $30 or $29 or something, $33. I don't know. They give you a code too, I think. And I might put one in the description below. I might put, you know what, I'm going to go ahead and put the link because they've been so awesome to me here. I'm going to put a link in this video. So if you want it, I recommend it. It's kind of cool. I like it. And they have so many different designs. Anyway, on with the video. Once again, thank you, Groove Life, and Sam over there at Groove Life. Today is a very special day. Not only did I get this cool ring, when I got home, would you look at what Steph stuck in a truck got me. Hey dude, it's Margaritaville time. Margaritaville shoes from Hey Dude. Look at those. Hey, they match the ring perfect. Hey, dude. Ah, those are nice. Yeah. Pretty happy with these. I cannot wait to get out and do some walking. Do some walking in some shoes. Christopher walking. I don't know. Does it make sense? Out here driving and something just flopped onto my windshield. I thought it broke my windshield. It's a frog. A frog just landed on my windshield. What the heck? Okay, that's scary. It's part of the plague, right? Just slapped onto my windshield. Dark, I don't know if you'll be able to see him, but yeah, let's see if we can get some light here. There he is. He just crash landed right on my hood. Luckily, I was only doing about 3 miles an hour, so he's just chilling. You really can't see him. It's too dark. It is morning. Hello, everybody. I got my brand new Margaritaville shoes on. I got my Guy Harvey ring on, and I'm going out and do a little bit of Uber, DoorDash. I'm thinking about doing rideshare today too. Good thing having that adapter with the Nissan Leaf, it makes my car much more reliable for rideshare and gig work. Whereas before I had to kind of stick to normal local areas that might have a Chatamo. Now I can go anywhere there's a charger, which makes my life a little bit easier, and people can rely on me. Well, I mean, if you're giving rides, they don't know who you are, but the people that are looking for rides have at least one more option. They have me, because I can charge wherever I'm picking them up at or after I drop them off, and I don't have to worry. I mean, you really don't have to charge that much. I usually try and put about 200 miles on there, and that lasts a long time. It doesn't last that long because it is summertime and I have to run that air conditioner, but it lasts long enough to pick up quite a few people and deliver a few food orders, which I'm going to do right now. I'm going to activate the app. I've been refusing Uber rides right now and Uber Eats. I'm sitting out here at Flamingo, my favorite place on Disney property. This is where all the employees work and live at. Actually, most of the employees that work for Disney live in these apartments over here at Flamingo, and this whole area is scattered with apartments for Disney employees. I believe like 75,000 of them. It's my favorite place to pick up Uber and Lyft. Issue is today, Uber is just terrible. Lyft, I'm still waiting for an order, but the orders that have been coming through are like $3 for like 8 miles. I had $13 24-mile run over to Spirit Airlines at the airport. I'm not running to the airport for 13 bucks, 24 miles. I'm a truck driver. I always do at least $1 a mile. You got to make $1 a mile or more. It is terrible here today. Everything you get. There was a Firehouse Subs. I'm sitting here right here at Firehouse Subs, and I had a $4 one for like 8 miles. I mean, if I had a gas car, I don't know how gas car people even do these crappy orders. I mean, I drive an electric car, so I don't have to worry about it so much, but I am not driving 8 miles for $4. Plus, most of the kids around here, they don't have the extra money for tips, you know, and we rely on tips out here, and I don't expect them to. I don't expect them to tip much because they're just going to work right down the street. I expect Uber to step up a little bit. Oh, just got a $14 one. It's time sensitive. Let's see what it is. Never mind. So this is my very first Uber Pet. I get to drive 4 miles, 10 bucks, and I get to have an Uber Pet. That's cool. All right, food has gotten a little bit better, and I'm just bringing food back and forth to people that are staying at the hotels and resorts. Not too bad today. Started out not great, but it's gotten a lot better. Been doing pretty good, and I contacted Steph stuck in her truck, and she goes, let's go do lunch. And she wanted to try El Pollo Loco, but they don't have El Pollo Locos here. But they do have something very similar. El Pollo Tropical. Look at that. Chicken, steak, beans, salsa. Here at El Pollo Tropical, you get pulled pork, steak, chicken, rice, beans, and a couple different salsas. Peach mango, don't know, chorito or whatever that, Dorito, whatever, and barbecue. Comes out, hold on, oh, and plantains, we get plantains too. Whole meal, 13 bucks, not bad, with a lemonade. Steph pointed out that the meal doesn't come with a drink. I actually had to pay for the lemonade. She forced me not to lie to you. That was a nice little lunch, and I think I'm done for the day. Well, because I got to go to regular work. I got to do my real job. Before that happens, I need to charge, and this looks like I'm getting ready to jump into some incredibly bad weather to do the charging. So instead of using the adapter, I'm probably just going to use the regular Chatamo. And I know the pump I'm going to do it at. And I don't think we're too far away from it. The world's largest orange is telling me so. Okay. Get that coffee in there. Get the charger going. Yeah, I dropped it pretty low this trip. I am using the Chatamo, actually. I'm not using the adapter today. Getting pretty good speeds for Chatamo. 50 kilowatts. And yeah, no adapter. I have it, but there's really no need. It has been a pretty good, long, exciting day. Made a little bit of cash to help cover the bills. Now I have to go home, sleep for a little bit, and then I'm going to get up and do it all again tonight because my good friend Morgan from the Superman Museum in Metropolis, Illinois, drove her and her children's down here to go have some fun at Universal, and I am broke. I mean, I can get into the parks, but if I want, want a soda or something to snack on or anything like that, I'm going to need some cash. So I'm going to go generate a little bit of revenue tonight, and then tomorrow, it's a Universal day with some friends from the Super Museum. I'm kind of excited. Anyway, until the next time, thanks for tuning in to this kind of hodgepodge video, and I'll see you later. Peace, everybody.